Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you like my video, please subscribe me and leave your comment. If you think my videos help you to learn Winols and remap the file. In the first part, I teach you how to find the important hex area of the Siemens file with Winols. And this second part, I teach you how to find the important map for modified and best outcome of your car. Increase the torque and horsepower of your engine. Okay. For this, drag the Siemens file to Winols software. And for finding the important map, the first way is push the F and looking between the map and finding the important map. It depends on your experience and practice and repeat this job. Another easy way use a DOMUS file, but I advise you never trust the DOMUS file and check it yourself to sure that is correct or not. Okay. I push the FK between the map, finding the important map. The first map is a torque of engine. But Winols can't select completely of this map. Look at the 2 dimension. Here Winols software don't select. It's not important. You can select completely yourself. Push the delete marker and push the delete and select yourself. And push the K to create a map. Yes. And in this properties, type in the name of map. Torque 1. And this bikes torque 1. And you can select the name for x-axis and y-axis. X-axis is the map, manifold air pressure. I name it map, and you can change the data source. Free editable. The map between the 0 to 400. Okay, and y-axis name is RPM, rotate per minute of engine. And in data source, I select the free editable and push between the 400 to 6000. Okay, now we have a torque 1 of engine. We create the first map. Back to the file, push the delete to unselect this map and push the F, finding another map. Another map, look at 2 dimension, it to the torque engine. But like previously, Winols can select the completely of map. Select the delete marker and push the delete and select yourself completely of this map. Look at 2 dimension. Yes, it is correct. From the beginning of this wave to end of this wave. Okay, push the K. Like previously, you can change the name of this map and the x-axis and y-axis, but for my video, don't being so line, I don't do it for another map, but you can do it yourself. Torque 2 and push the delete, press the F finding another important map. This map we now select completely. Look at this. We now select completely, and this map is the reverse torque. When you release the accelerator, reverse torque, and you can type it everything you want in the description, and then another name is depend on you. And come back to file to find another important map. Yes, this map is charging coil timing. Winols select is correctly. I double click on it and create another map, coil charging, and name it coil charging. Yes, and come back to the file for finding another important map. Notice Winols sometimes can't finding the important map and need you find it manually. This map look like the lambda sensor, but is not so important for me. Yes, this map related to lambda sensor, and you can select it and change it this area 101 and it's not important map. This map is a Spark Advanced and so important for remap the file. Winols select it correctly. Look at this. Yes. And double click on this map and name it Spark Advanced. We create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 important map. Now we find between the another important map Another important map we now can realize it is the injection. Injection so important map for has a best remapping. For this, I find it manually. Look at this wave. It's related to injection. Injection is so important. I find it I select it completely, and in the 8-bit data and select it to being bigger. Yes, and first, yeah, okay, it's select correctly. 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 9 10 11 12. It's another important map, but I don't select it correctly for this. The first 128 is the starting line of the map. You need correct from this line to and count the 12th line. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. End of this is 113.5. Push the K and you make a first injection map. Injection 16 12. Okay. Now select the 8 multiply 8 injection. Select the 8 data and change it to 8 to 8, and you can change the digit from the control and push the yes. Now select the 8 and 8 injection map. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Push the K and it's another injection map. Injection 8. Another important map is a lambda sensor. You can find it manually, but for my video don't be so long, I don't do it, and I learn you how to change this map. For changing the for best for best accelerator and horsepower, change like this. You can change the first torque map selection, change the selection mode to rectangle. Okay, you can change it like this. Push the difference and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Push the 7 column from the first and change it with the plus K. Yes, apply the change. The maximum change is, I guess, is 14, but it's better change the one of the digit manually, but I change it the 7 column and change it together. It depends on you. It's an example of changing this map, and it depends on you and your cars. And another column you can change it to 13. For twist torque, second torque map, you can change it like this. I said it depends on you and in your experience. It's not my procedure is not so exact, and just for teach you how you can change it. Okay, delete, and another columns you can change it to 13 for a best outcome of your engine. And reverse torque. For reverse torque, you can select all of the map and change it with the percent relative. Select the percent relative, and maximum change. My advice is 10%. The coil charging, like the reverse torque, you can select all of the coil charging time, and maximum change is 9%. For spark advance is a little difficult. You can change it this area, maximum RPM, and when you push the accelerator, you can change the maximum increase, and this area a little increase, for example 8, and this area a little more than this area. In the middle, push the accelerator. This area, for example 10, this area 14, and okay, sorry, and the maximum spark advance you can change it to 17 is the maximum. Maybe hard your the spark advance. Notice this point, the injection map, always you can increase a little let me okay. You can increase the injection map, but notice never increase more than spark advance. Okay, the injection always the little your digit little okay, sorry. Yes, a little less from the spark advance in the injection, and you can select this map and increase 4 or 5, and this area a little more than this area, and this is the maximum load of the engine, and you can increase to like a spark advance, but not 19, a little less from the spark advance. And for the 8 and the 8 injection like this, you can change it and increase it. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I said it's not completely, and the change and modified is not exact, but for finding the map and increase the map, I think for a beginner is very good. And in the next video I learn you how to find the important hex area of the Bosch ECU, Bosch brand of ECU, and how to find the map of the Bosch. And maybe in the next video I learn you advanced Siemens file like Hyundai and Toyota or another advanced car, how to find, because the advanced car has many more than the, this file map. I mean has a many map like throttle, HGR map or another map, but for starting I chose the simple file to finding the important map. Thank you for watching my video.